Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by unboxing for January. So on top I have my nice little product card that tells me all about every tea that's inside. And you normally get a mix of loose leaf tea and then some that are already in little satchels. So the first one, so it's a Mana Organics green tea. Yeah, Mana Organics green tea, and there's 4 of those. Cool little package. And the steeping instructions on the back. Also get a little bag of little tea satchels. For all the loose leaf tea, you can just fill them up in there. It's really easy. I love those things. So next up from Harney and Sons, we have Master Tea Blenders Blackcurrant, and this is loose leaf tea. That sounds good. Also have Kashmiri chai. Perhaps that's how you say it. This is a green tea, light cardamom spice. It says there's also clove in there and marigold flowers, so that will be interesting. Medium caffeine level, and that's from Davidstea. Oh cool, the last one in here, that looks really fun. It's Hibiscus Blend Mountain Flower Tea. And you can literally see the flowers in there, and they feel, some of them feel dried, but some of them almost feel a little soft, like they're fresh. Maybe. That is super cool. Remember years ago they have like flowering tea where you put like a little bud in there and pour the water and it literally blooms. And so that's what this reminds me of, the little flower bud. So very cool. I'm excited for that. Let's take a look at the card. We have a mix of caffeine levels. There's a no caffeine, low caffeine, medium, and high. Very nice. Definitely drink this all relatively soon because I'm still getting over yet another cold. So I love chugging tea when I am sick. So this will go very quickly, I'm sure. If you guys are interested in signing up for a subscription, I have a promo code below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.